Okay, this is a known ash log, so we're going to cut this into 1-inch thick boards so I can plane these down to 3/4, so maybe even a little bit heavier than an inch. I'm going to use that for the mud table project because I think those other boards, they just don't feel heavy enough. Like I don't think they're ash. And I really was counting on the strength to make them 3/4 boards with the strength to hold up the kids leaning and jumping on it. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the top one's 1.5 inches. The other ones are 1 inch or so out of ash. And then we have this pine, known pine thing. I think I'm gonna make some 1 inch out of this one, so that I'll have enough pieces to fabricate this thing with. Okay, let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 inch pine boards, and that's the strap bottom piece. They leave it for armoring on the trail. Alright, I have a feeling I should cut this one or something. Alright, this is like a 13 on one end, maybe a 15 on this end pine. It's got a pretty significant curve. If I was trying to get like 5-foot boards out of it, I'm going to waste most of it. I think I'm going to just cut this first trail armoring. I can leave the curve in it. Just cut them 1.5 inch slabs. Yeah, so we're going to try. that's a reasonable section, but it's also short, it's probably like 3 foot, which I can still use, right? I can just cut that off and I can use this piece, but if I was trying to straighten it out and make a long board out of it, I would have wasted a lot for, especially this without junk anyway. Alright, I'm gonna finish cutting slabs. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boards we can kind of use for trail armoring. But you can see this part's, you know, from this part over is kind of crappy, so. But yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll use some of these pieces for the projects I need. I just plane them down to 1 or 3/4 and cut that part off. All right, we're gonna clean this up, and not today, but coming to a theater soon near you. This is max diameter log. I think that's 22 inches, and that's a 23-inch wide possible cut. So, you know, this end's kind of rotting out, and this end looks like it's kind of rotting out. So I think it's gonna be mostly for trail armoring slabs. I don't know that I'm gonna get a lot of good structural boards out of it, but once we open it up, we'll know. Stay tuned.